So after creating any website, if you are creating for cpanel particular website, how to remove the cpanel on particular website using for WH. So while creating for cpanel, the website will be removed or the website will be have to close the permanently. How to remove the particular website cpanel using for WH. That is called, first of all, go to list account. Select your total website. So which website you remove by the cpanel? Select. Here show for change quota, change plan, modify account, and terminate your account. There are totally 4 options. In this, I am option remove by the terminate account. Before that, check your website. You're selecting for wrong or right. Terminate account. Is asking for permission to remove your account. Yes. First, you can verify your total website with your domain name ABC XYZ. Now click for remove this account. This means completely remove your account. Completely remove your account. So we'll go to the processing here. Starting removal by ABC XYZ. So it will take by 1 to 2 minutes of time. It's going to delete here. For showing for successfully remove your particular website. Now you can check your come into your list account. Is there a website? Is there? No. The website will be removed by permanently along with the cpanel. So we can create the cpanel. We can remove the cpanel using for WH. So what are the options are there? Your subdomain, fork domain, and suspend account. So everything will be here. So what are the terminate your accounts are here? Means what are the account will be deleted. See this one. These accounts will be, you can terminate yourself. Simple, click for remove. So we can go for list account previously. You can direct option is called terminate your account. Any account will be select, click for remove. The option call is here is it. Account function, password modification, and account information. Everything will be here. And coming to this one, here will be set by the DNS function, your packages, and you are changing for upgrade your option. So everything will be here coming to WH. So you can terminate your account and we can create your cpanel. So the option call is WH.